Hi guys, welcome to Off the 10th. My name is Chris, and today we got a package. That's right, today we got a package sent to me from our good friend, all us beer tubers, good friend Dan over at what's his channel called again? I don't know. Booze reviews and news and deep thoughts. Yes. West Coast Nick or Dan sent me a package. It's right here, and I'm gonna unbox it. But first, before I unbox it, I'm gonna drink a beer while I'm doing this. Cause why not? So today I'm taking a look at from Great Lakes Brewing again. We're taking a look at Robo Hop Double IPA. I've never untapped this. I will untap this one when I'm done drinking it. This one's relatively fresh from the LCBO. I'm excited. So let's put Robo Hop over here. Like the artwork on that. That's fantastic. It's just fantastic. What are the three prime directives? Serve the public trust, uphold the law, and something else. I can't remember. Anyway. All right, let's get into this box. I've already opened the sides of it here, as you can tell, but I haven't opened up the actual top of it. I didn't want to make this a disaster. So here we go. We're going in. We're going in, and I'm making a bunch of noise on the mic right now, I can tell. Oh my God. All right, he got me some eggshell carton. Perfect. Another one. Perfect. Oh, is that what I thought it was? Oh, he got me a rattle. That's right. The beer mail deterrent. Haha. You'll never know it's beer. With this little thing. I'm going to use that next time I send beer out. Have that going. Okay. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Wow, he packaged this one really, really well. Oh my God. Okay, I gotta have to stand up for this one. Okay. One. Oh my God, Dan, you're kidding me. You're kidding me, Dan. Holy shnikes. This may be a long video. I'm just saying. Oh, and another one. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, and another one. Wow. We really didn't want to lose this. Okay. Let's see what we got here. It looks like we've got a few. I'm freaking so excited. I can't believe this. At the end of this video, I will link Dan's channel down below. Please go check him out and go subscribe to his channel. He also sent out beer mails, I believe, to Nick at Maxwell Star, and I think he did to Redbeard as well. So, fuck, that's good. I used to not like that beer. I've had it before, but I just never untapped it. All right, so the first beer we're going into is this one. And yeah, this is going to be fun. This could be a long... Perhaps. All right. We don't want to puncture the can, so we'll get into this as soon as we can. All right. First up, from New Level Brewing. Where are these guys from? No, of course, Calgary, Alberta. That's where West Coast Nick is at. Is that we got the Headbangers Breakfast Imperial Stout. Ooh, that's nice. This is some coming in at 9% alcohol. Awesome. Put that here. All right. Next. Carrie or Redbeard might have, or if you guys have seen his unboxing from Dan, probably can contain a lot of the same beers, but his reactions are going to be totally over the top as opposed to mine. Next, another one from New Level Brewing. We've got the Guava Lord. I can't even read. Guava Lord beer. This would be... What kind of beer is this? I don't know. It's 30 IBUs, 5% alcohol by volume. East Guava. It's probably an IPA. Awesome. Can't wait to check that out. Wow, this is going to be... I'll have to buy beer for a while. I think maybe I'll just dedicate all of March to Dan's beers. Why not? All right, another one from New Level Brewing. We've got this one here, School's Out. It's an Imperial Peanut Butter and Jam Stout. Oh my God, this sounds fantastic. 8.5%. Damn it, Dan. God damn. Damn, son. All right. I also have to remember I can only film 10 minutes at a time, so I gotta be quick. Oh, we got another one from New Level. I can see through the packaging here. Another one from New Crushed by Coconuts. This one sounds fantastic. This was a chocolate coconut stout. Wow. Coming in at 6.2%. That looks and sounds fantastic. All right, what do we got here? Oh, what's this one? This is a New Level Brewing again. 8.5%. We're looking at the Cookies and Corpse Paint. There we go. That looks dynamite. It's another Imperial Stout. Wow. Wow, Dan. Put this right here. Sure. All right. Next one. We'll leave the brown wrapped one for later. You guys might be losing my sound here. Let's move my mic. Sorry about the noise there. All right. This one's a product of Alberta. This is Tokyo Drift Turbocharged IPA, 7.2%, brewed by Last Best Brewing and Distilling. This one's a little bit sticky. I hope it didn't start leaking. That's the Tokyo Drift. There we go. That's cool. That's cool, yo. Oh, smaller can. Damn it, Dan. Only like big cans of beer. Just kidding. Peanut butter milk stout from Belching Beaver Brewery. Oh, I've heard of this and I wanted to try this. This is awesome. This is coming in at 5.30% alcohol. They actually said 30. And in this package, I can't believe how many beers he sent. That's fantastic. Let's take a drink. Wow, damn. All right, this one is coming from, which one's this one from? The Establishment Brewing Company out of Calgary, Alberta. This is Ghost Machine. This is a double dry hopped Imperial New England IPA. My God, this sounds fantastic. Am I going to have to like go to Calgary? Went to Calgary once, been over there. Back in high school. It was a fantastic trip. Fell in love. It was awesome. Heartbroken after that. Now it is. High school love. All right, and what do we got here? Oh, this is a bottle. It's a bottle of newspaper. All right. And the final beer, if I can get into this without pouring it out. This is, oh, he sent me a nitro. Wonderful, wonderful. This is, I think this is from Petrus Brewing, maybe. I don't know who this is. Wow, I'm like feeling really dumb right now. Interesting. This is a Belgium chocolate nitro chocolate quad coming in at 8.5%. That's nitroed. I think he tried this. I think Dan tried this one and I commented. I don't know for sure if this is the one, but I'm excited to try that. So Dan, you're awesome. I really appreciate this. I can't believe you actually sent this much out. But anyway, you know what? He sent me 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 beers. Thanks, Dan. I appreciate that. Guys, like the video, subscribe, check out Dan's channel. I'm going to link his stuff. I got to go. My video's running out. Peace out. Love you guys. Bye-bye.